Yo, what's up everybody? So we're gonna be having some fun in the Z today. Y'all know what's good. We're gonna be trying to slide this thing around a little bit. It's hot as shit today, like 103, 104, and I'm sweating. I got the sweats on in this weather. I'm dying low-key, but yeah, we're gonna be sliding this around a little bit. I'm meeting up with my boy. He also got a Z, and I'm just trying to film like a cool little like drifting montage, maybe like a little drift movie, and just have some fun. Hey! What's up, man? Your Z's looking tight, dude. Hold on, let me park by you. Y'all, so I just pulled up to my homie Eric, and I was just telling him a second ago that this is like hella nostalgic right now, because he's the one that had that 240 back in the day, like 5-6 years ago. I'll throw a quick clip up and you guys can see that. Want to do it one more time?
Yeah, one more time.
Yeah, that's Eric. 6 years later, we out here, both got the Z. He got the nice ass Z. Now fucking tucking. Shit, fucking tucking. Looks cool though. Yeah, it's a little beat. I like the colors though. It's like those OnlyFans colors.
OnlyFans colors.
We got them OnlyFans stacking bands. But yeah, it's hella nostalgic right now. Hella nostalgic. Yeah, buddy. Fuck. We need to get the fuck out of here. Woo! Oh, I miss this shit, dude. This is life. This is pure living. All right, little side note about this drift spot. This is actually where I crashed my car in high school the day before graduation. We were having a little like party here, and I turned it into a sideshow. I crashed into this lady's car. This is the same exact spot. We back here again 6 years later, fucking schmobbing. You know what it is. Yeah, how you feeling?
That shit felt sick as fuck, honestly.
Yeah.
That little entry right there, fucking, yeah, dude.
I'm excited to see. I got hella angles. I got
I'm more disappointed.
this thing,
I'm more
that thing.
disappointed that we weren't just facing each other like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's what I intended to do, but I came in a little soon, so I was just kind of following you.
I feel it. I was trying to get ahead of you, but
I got a nice ass Montage low key out of here though.
at the end, yeah, me too. You saw how I brought it out, yeah.
I angled my shit hella too. I was like, "Arr." Do a wheelie! Do a wheelie! Yeah! Yeah!
What a great day to be a Z owner, right?
I was debating selling this thing. Fuck that.
Like, why? Why would you ever?
Oh shit. He's scraping. Let me do some donuts around you. Yeah.